Hi there, my name is Joanne, and today I'll be sharing with you this brand called JW PEI. They are a sustainable Taiwanese brand that sells bags, and they use vegan leather and recyclable material for their products. According to their website, they use high-quality canvas, polyethylene, and fabrics made from certified recycled plastic bottles, which is great. This brand sells various bags in different styles and also other products like wallets, shoulder phone bags, and more. My friend actually has one of their wallets. I'll insert a picture right here, and I thought it was really nice, so I decided to check out their website. I purchased this Gabbi handbag right here in the color ivory, and it's probably one of their most popular bags, and I get why, because you know the design is really pretty, and I purchased it because I don't have something like this. This bag came in a marble box right here, or it's like a marble printed box, and inside it also came with this dust bag, which is very nice because you get to keep your bag, or like you can store your bag in here, keep it nice and clean. It's quite big inside here, and it also has this card slot right here on the side, which is really nice for putting Metro cards and just cards you want easy access to. You could probably put another card in here or two, but I would just put one to make it easy access to get it. This bag is pretty big, and I'm actually able to fit all of these items in here, so let me just put it in and show you. So I just got my phone, my AirPod case, my lip product, my wallet. This bag also has a little magnet on top. There's no zipper or anything. The magnet holds up pretty well, and yeah. So for pricing, I paid 1,399 NTD, which is about 50 USD, and I think for a luxury style bag with this kind of material, I think the price is pretty reasonable. If you go on their website, it seems like they always have some sort of promotion going on, so if you see a bag that you want that's not on sale, you could probably wait for a little bit, and then you'll see a sale come up, and then you can purchase it with a little discount. I did get a little discount on mine, but it was very little. It was like $3, I think, but still a discount. And so for shipping, I am also located in Taiwan, and that's why my shipping was a lot faster, or it would be a lot faster. I got this bag in about 4 days after I purchased it, which I would say is pretty fast for standard shipping. If you're buying from somewhere out of the country internationally, shipping would take longer. I can't tell you my experience on international shipping because I purchased it here, but I'm assuming shipping would probably be about the same with any other company that's shipping globally. Overall, I would rate this purchase a 9 out of 10. Shipping was great, and the pricing's not too bad. I personally don't spend this much money on bags because I don't buy that many bags and I don't have that many, but I don't regret it. I don't regret spending $50 on a bag. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and also be sure to subscribe to Sitejabber here for more reviews. Also be sure to check out my socials. They'll be linked in the description box below. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!